Myself Jayesh Patel, and this is my daughter Nidhi Patel. So she is a BTech student in the Geeta University, and she diagnosed with the ovarian tumor a few days back when we went for the just investigation. So that time we came to know she is having a large tumor. It's almost like a football size of tumor. So then we met to Dr. Sridevi Matta, and she very nicely she has explained what are the issues and how we can clear it. So with that, we planned the surgery, and Dr. Sridevi Matta has supported like anything. Actually, during the surgery, I got very emotional. So she supported me as well as my daughter, and she treated my daughter like her daughter. And she that surgery was very complicated as it was like open surgery, as but she has managed with the laparoscopy, and finally she has removed, and she also shaved her both ovaries, and it was fine. So thank you, ma'am. And the staff actually here is very supportive. So they took a very care of us, and they were very. So overall, it's a good.
I am Dr. Sridevi, consultant gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon and robotic surgeon in Apollo Hospital, Arlova, Vishakhapatnam. She is Nidhi Patel, 20 years old girl. She came with abdomen distension of 36 weeks size. Almost 9 months pregnancy of the size undi. Scan, MRI scan, CT scan. The large cyst అంతా రిమూవ్ చేసి దానికి both side ovaries retain చేశాము. So that we can save a girl's life. Really, I am very, very happy that I could save both the ovaries. That is the importance of surgery. Yesterday I have done this surgery. Only 24 hours she recovered well, and we are discharging also with the laparoscopic surgery. Thank you very much.